In this video, we will be covering the model on Canvas settings within the Airia platform, such as the temperature, date, and timestamp, and others. We are currently in the canvas looking at one specific agent. If you click on the model tile here, you'll see a context window opening up at the top. You can see the LLM you have selected. If you want to change this, simply click on the arrow icon. You can see all the available models you've selected from the model library in the previous step, and you can easily change the model you're working with. If you extend this specific tile, you'll access more in-depth settings for your model. First, you can see some core information. You can check if token consumption happens via Airia token, or if you've added your own token. You can see the exact version of the base model you're using. You can see if a system prompt has been added. You can choose if you want to add date and time context. Date and time context means the timestamp and date of each transaction or conversation with this agent gets submitted as well. Specifically for use cases where you want to search the internet for daily news or up-to-date information, this can be a very relevant feature to activate. If you want to change the token consumption, the token being used, or the system prompt, you can do this within your model settings. If you go one step back in the system, other settings you can make for the model in the system include setting the temperature. The temperature is a parameter that controls the randomness of the model's output. A higher temperature, as we have it here currently at 1, leads to more random and creative outputs of the LLM. Lower settings, if we turn this down to, let's say, 0, result in more focused, deterministic, and predictable responses. Depending on the type of output you're looking for from your LLM, consider the temperature and even test how the answers vary if you adjust it. The last setting you can adjust is including the user input. This is especially interesting when you have a multi-LLM agent. You can choose if the user input influences the input of a later LLM, or if that input is purely the output from the previous step. So, if you want to ensure that the user input, the prompt given to the agent by the end user, is included at every step, simply toggle the setting on. Especially when working with multiple LLMs, this might be a very useful toggle to activate. Thank you for watching, and hopefully this was useful.